How to do flutter kicks, step by step. 1. Lie flat on your back on an exercise mat. Keep your legs extended and arms resting by your sides, palms facing down. 2. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles to protect your lower back. Press your lower back gently into the mat. 3. Lift your legs slightly off the ground. Raise both legs about 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters off the floor. Keep them straight but not locked at the knees. 4. Start the flutter motion. Lift your right leg up to about 45 degrees while keeping your left leg just above the floor. Switch legs quickly in a scissor-like motion, alternating up and down. Keep your movement controlled and your core tight. 5. Breathe steadily. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth as you move your legs to 40 seconds or 15 Continue for 25 repetitions per leg, depending on your fitness level. Rest briefly and repeat 2 to 3 sets. Tips for proper form. Don't let your lower back arch. Keep it pressed into the mat. Keep your neck relaxed. Avoid straining your head forward. Move your legs in a small, quick, and controlled range, not too high or too wide. To make it easier, place your hands slightly under your hips. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.